Hello everyone, this is Shweta. Welcome to the Innovative Workspace. Today we will see how we can add and update item using single form with a submit function. So let's see how we can achieve this functionality. So right now I am in Powerapps. Here I am adding one form, edit form, and this form I am connecting with product list, which is my SharePoint list products. I am making it two columns. Now I will add one button over here. First, let me reduce the size of this form. Now I'm adding button over here. Submit. Let me add one gallery over here so that the gallery item we can update. I'm adding one gallery. I'm connecting it with product list. And this font size, let me increase it. 20. Now this form, on the form data source is our products, and we have to go to the item property of the form. So here I will write my gallery name, gallery 2 dot selected. So any of the item is selected in the gallery, it will be reflect in this form. So if the user wants to edit the particular item from the gallery, they can select from the gallery. After that, they can update from the form. Now on form mode property, first let me add one icon here for adding a new record, or I can also choose one button, but let me add one icon, add icon. So when user will click on this button, the form will be blank and a new entry will be submit. So on select of this icon, I will write a code. I'm setting one variable here. Set where new form true. Now I'm selecting my form. I am going to its form mode property, default mode. I am giving a condition if var form mode, if var new form is true, then form mode dot new, otherwise form mode dot edit. What it means, whenever user is select this plus icon, the var new form value comes true. So if then it comes true, then form mode will be new, otherwise form mode is edit. On button of submit, I will write a code, submit form, then form name. My form name is form 2. After submit form, we are writing code reset form, form 2. And also before resetting, I will make that variable which we did true, we can make it false. Set that new form false. Also on select of this template, we can make the variable false. Set where new form false. So let's see how it's working. I'm playing. Right now it is KitKat selected. I'm changing the name, KitKat updated, and price is 15. Now I'm doing submit. So you can see KitKat updated is showing. Now I'm clicking on, let's see also the data source. Let me refresh it. Now you can see KitKat updated with the price of 15. Now if I want to add new record, I'm clicking this add. You can see my form goes blank. I'm adding one new. It is Hershey. Product description. It's chocolate. And price is 20. You can see our Hershey is showing here. Let's see in the database. You can see our item is showing here. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.